Did you know that the Samsung Galaxy A series has consistently been one of the best-selling smartphone lines? It's all about balancing features and price, making it a top choice for budget-conscious buyers. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is the latest addition to this popular series, and it's worth taking a closer look at, especially if you're in the market for a new phone without breaking the bank. This phone promises to deliver a great user experience at an affordable price. With its impressive specs and affordable price tag, it's no wonder that many are considering it as their next smartphone. In terms of design and build, the Galaxy A16 5G seems to follow in the footsteps of its predecessors, focusing on durability and aesthetic appeal. The phone is expected to have a solid build quality that can withstand daily wear and tear. For a budget phone, it's always a plus to have a device that feels premium. Samsung is a well-known manufacturer in the smartphone industry, famous for producing high-quality devices that cater to a wide range of consumers. The Galaxy A series, in particular, has evolved over the years to become a go-to option for those looking for affordable yet feature-rich smartphones. The series has seen numerous upgrades and innovations, from improved cameras to faster processors, all aimed at providing a better user experience. This evolution has helped Samsung maintain its position as a leading smartphone manufacturer. The Galaxy A series has consistently offered a balance of performance, features, and price, making it a favorite among budget-conscious buyers. With the Galaxy A16 5G, Samsung continues this tradition, offering a device that packs a punch without being too heavy on the wallet. So, what makes the Galaxy A16 5G stand out? For starters, it boasts a large, high-resolution display that's perfect for watching videos or browsing the web. Its camera capabilities are also noteworthy, with a high-quality primary sensor and advanced software features. The phone is powered by a fast processor, which should provide smooth performance and efficient battery life. Speaking of battery life, the Galaxy A16 5G comes equipped with a substantial battery that can easily last a full day on a single charge. In terms of specifications, the Galaxy A16 5G doesn't disappoint. It features a powerful chipset, ample RAM, and plenty of storage, making it capable of handling demanding tasks and multitasking. The display is another highlight of the Galaxy A16 5G, offering vibrant colors and wide viewing angles. Whether you're watching a movie or playing a game, the display is sure to impress. The camera system on the Galaxy A16 5G is also worth mentioning. With advanced features like scene detection, portrait mode, and more, you can capture stunning photos and videos. One of the key advantages of the Galaxy A16 5G is its 5G connectivity, which provides fast data speeds and a seamless online experience. This makes it perfect for streaming, online gaming, and more. The phone also supports fast charging, which can quickly top up the battery when you're running low. This feature is especially useful for those who are always on the go. With its impressive specs and affordable price, the Galaxy A16 5G seems like a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers. But, as with any phone, there are pros and cons to consider. On the plus side, the Galaxy A16 5G offers a great user experience, with smooth performance and a high-quality display. The camera system is also a highlight, capable of capturing stunning photos and videos. However, some users may find the battery life to be a bit underwhelming, especially with heavy use. Additionally, the phone's design, while solid, may not stand out in a crowded market. To get a better sense of the Galaxy A16 5G's value, let's compare it to other budget smartphones in the same price range. The Realme C series and the Xiaomi Redmi series are two popular options that offer similar features at competitive prices. Compared to these phones, the Galaxy A16 5G holds its own, offering a great balance of performance, features, and price. While it may not excel in every area, it's a well-rounded device that should appeal to budget-conscious buyers. In my personal experience with the Galaxy A16 5G, I found it to be a reliable and capable device. The phone's performance has been smooth, and the camera system has impressed me with its image quality. One standout moment for me was when I used the phone to capture a sunset, and the camera system accurately captured the vibrant colors and details. It was a great experience, and I was impressed with the phone's capabilities. However, I've also encountered some frustrations, such as the phone's battery life not lasting as long as I'd like. But overall, I found the Galaxy A16 5G to be a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is a great option for those looking for a budget-friendly phone with impressive features. I'd give it a solid rating, and I think it would be a great choice for anyone who wants a reliable device without breaking the bank. If you're in the market for a new phone and want a great balance of features and price, the Galaxy A16 5G is definitely worth considering. Its impressive specs, affordable price, and solid performance make it a top choice for budget-conscious buyers. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other reviews of budget smartphones. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Galaxy A16 5G, so be sure to share your experiences in the comments section below. Your feedback helps me create more content that you enjoy, and I'm always looking for new ideas and suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.